Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring and draw capital letter alphabets. First we use blue color. The next one is yellow color. Kids, now we use black color. And the next one is light green color. Now we use red color. And the last one is green color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we use blue color and draw the letter of A. A for apple. Now we draw A. We again use blue color and the next one is B. The letter of B. Kids, now we draw the letter of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. We again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E, and now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the letter of E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. Now we draw the letter of H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. And now we draw K. K for kite. Kids, now we use black color. Now we use black color and draw the letter of L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. The letter of P. P for penguin. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we use light green color and draw R. R for rose. Light green color. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for snake. Kids, now we use light green color and draw T. T for tiger. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we use red color. Now we use red color and draw V. V for vanilla. And the next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. Now we use green color. Now we use green color. X for X-ray. Kids, the next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.